What's up, Health Nuts? Dr. Mike here, and today we're diving deep into the world of seeds. These tiny nutritional powerhouses often get overlooked, but trust me, they pack a serious punch when it comes to your well-being. We're going to break down the top 4 seeds you definitely want to add to your diet and 4 others you might want to be cautious about. First up, we've got chia seeds. Remember those funny little chia pets we had growing up? Turns out those seeds weren't just for growing fuzzy friends. They're absolute rock stars when it comes to omega-3 fatty acids, essential for heart health, brain function, and fighting inflammation. Sprinkle them on your salads, yogurt, or blend them into your smoothies for a healthy boost. Next, we've got another incredible seed, flax seeds. These little guys are packed with lignans, powerful antioxidants that may play a role in hormone balance and support prostate health. Grind them up for better absorption or add them to your diet through flaxseed oil. Let's talk about hemp seeds. These seeds won't get you high, but they will provide your body with a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This is a big deal, especially for my vegetarian and vegan friends. Hemp seeds are also packed with essential fatty acids and an impressive array of minerals, including magnesium, iron, and zinc. Sprinkle them on your salads, add them to smoothies, or enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Last but not least on our list of seed superstars are pumpkin seeds. These little guys are nutritional gold mines, especially when it comes to magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions, including muscle and nerve function, blood sugar control, and blood pressure regulation. Roast them for a tasty snack or add them to trail mixes for a healthy energy boost. Now we're moving on to the seeds you might want to enjoy in moderation or avoid altogether. First up are poppy seeds. While they're often found in baked goods and on bagels, these tiny seeds can actually contain traces of opiates. The levels are usually very low, but they can be high enough to trigger a positive result on a drug test. Furthermore, there are concerns about potential contamination with heavy metals, so moderation is key. Next, let's talk about sunflower seeds. They're a popular snack, but they're very high in omega-6 fatty acids. Our bodies need a balance of both omega-3s and omega-6s, but the typical Western diet is already overloaded with omega-6s. An excessive intake of omega-6s relative to omega-3s can contribute to inflammation in the body. So, enjoy sunflower seeds in moderation, and make sure you're getting enough omega-3s from other sources. Sesame seeds are another seed that requires some caution. While they're often used in Asian cuisine and baked goods, sesame seeds are a common allergen. Sesame allergies are becoming increasingly prevalent and can cause severe reactions in some individuals. Additionally, sesame seeds contain oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. So, enjoy them in moderation if you don't have any allergies or sensitivities. Last but not least, we have cotton seeds. It's important to know that cotton seeds are not meant for human consumption. They contain a toxic compound called gossypol, which can cause a range of health problems, including infertility in men. Stick to the seeds that are safe and healthy to enjoy. So there you have it, your comprehensive guide to the world of seeds. Incorporating the right seeds into your diet can provide your body with essential nutrients and support your overall health. If you have any underlying health conditions or concerns, talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. Until next time, stay happy, stay healthy.